So for today, I'm going to teach you on how to set up your stop loss on your TradingView. So basically, first you need to go open your web browser, but in this case, I'm using a Google Chrome to demonstrate you the step-by-step process. After that, navigate to the tradingview.com and log in your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in, you will redirect to this page, which is in the profile section. But we're going to click on the market section and navigate to the crypto. But in this case, I will going to show you in Bitcoin cryptocurrency. But it based on your preference whether you wanted to do it on another cryptocurrency coin. After that, click on the C on super charts. Once you click on that, you will see this page, which is you will see the sell and buy icon right there. So for you to able to set up your stop loss on your trading view, you are going to select either the two, whether it is on the sell section or buy section. So just click on the buy section or sell section based on your preference. And under that, you will see that I am on the market section. But in this case, we are going to click on the stop so that we could set up our stop loss section. So under that stop section, we have take profit and the stop loss. So we are going to click or toggle on the checkbox on the stop loss and navigate to the ticks price and USD so that you could change that one. And then after you change that one, just click on the buy section and then you're now good to go.